Here comes the sun, doo-doo-doo-doo. Here comes the sun, and I say it's alright. Little darling, it's been a long, cold, lonely winter. Little darling, it feels like years since we've been here. Here comes the sun, doo-doo-doo-doo. Here comes the sun, and I say it's alright.
Yes, definitely. Yeah, I think it's been great. Really, the last 4 weeks that we've done on the course, the first 4 weeks we've done on the course were excellent. You know.
Yeah, the course was very interesting. We learned quite a lot on the 5-week course, 3 weeks in the classroom and 2 weeks on-site training, which was very knowledgeable and learning.
I got the course through a job centre. I was in the classroom for 3 weeks. We went up to PEWs for 1 day, and then there was 2 weeks for a work trial, and then ended up getting employment out of it.
A 5-week course with Rob at TCD. It was really good. The best part I liked about it was that Rob gave us an overview of the whole industry, not just part of it. We were in the classroom and on site. Probably another best bit was actually building the control panels.
Recently done the TCD training course. It's brilliant. It's gotten me, I've had at least 10 interviews with many companies and have been taken on by a land.
I found the course very enjoyable. We've done 4-week training, all in all, 2 weeks in the classroom, 2 on the job. Also visited PEW, had a day trip around there to have a look at all the equipment.
I believe between 12 and 14 interviews, I believed I was in, a few were interested in myself, but Rob put me with the people that he believed I'd be best off with.
I had about 15 interviews in the classroom, sometimes 2-3 employees at the same time, and I got employment with Ideal Elevators.
Interviews over a course of a week were about 14. First 2 were a bit nerve-wracking. In the end I ended up getting the job with Essex Lift Services.
I think I've lost count. It must have been at least 12. Sometimes we'd have 2 people coming to see us at the same time. It was just like a conveyor belt of employees coming in. Unbelievable.
Yeah, I couldn't believe that we had so many interviews that really we didn't have to do any work. You know, all the interviews come to us. We had about 12 interviews, maybe more. You know, different employers in the room at the same time, just like a conveyor belt. But you know, what a unique thing, like to have that many interviewers coming. I didn't have to get on the phone or do any work, it was all done for me.
I could say I've been taken on by Access 2 and we're now working to our NVQ level 2. So if you like it, want to get into this, come along.
I work for lift specialists, like you can see, and the base in Hertfordshire, and we do work all over the United Kingdom. And I really enjoy working with them. I enjoy working with the engineer. I enjoy working with the construction manager. They've really changed everything, and working with them has really bring different into my life, and I'm really enjoying what I'm doing.
I'm working for Advanced Elevators. We do regeneration of lifts and installation of lifts.
I've actually been given a job with Access 2. We do work all over the country and stuff, and I'm now working towards my MVQ level 2.
I actually ended up gaining employment with Emerald Elevators.
I'm doing remodernisations, taking out motors, control panels, rewiring, doing light fittings in the shaft.
I'm actually doing the hydraulic sides to the lifts. I'm doing modernisations, ram seals, valve seals, oil changes.
Mainly modernisations. At the moment, the lift we're on now, we're wiring up the car push buttons, fitting the indicators and fitting new doors on the actual lift car itself.
Okay, we have currently got 2 major jobs on the go. We've got a 3 package lift up in London and 2 lifts for Greenwich Council. We're basically refurbing them, taking and reinstalling new lifts, new control panels, new motors, the whole works.
At the moment we're working down the Metropolitan Hotel in Park Lane. I've seen it basically from an empty shaft with scaffolding in it to actually getting the frame of the lift and moving up and down, so from start to finish really.
At the moment I'm working on the service side. We do repairs, there's a lot of overtime, we do call-outs, breakdowns. If people get trapped in a lift we have to go rescue them.
I've had plenty of interviews with companies, and I'm happy to say I've been offered the position as a lift improver with Abbey Lift Care now, and my aim is to go on and finish the MVQ and become a qualified lift engineer.